This is our first question from this exercise that says that find the perimeter and area of a rectangle whose length is 5.2 meters and breadth is 2.3 meter, and we have to calculate the perimeter first. Perimeter has the formula 2L plus B, that is 2 into 5.2 plus 2.3. Adding it will give you 7.5. 2 into 7.5, that is 15 meter. Okay, that is was in meter. Then area has formula length into breadth. Here length is 5.2 and breadth is 5.2 meter and 2.3 meter. So it will give you 52 into 23 is 1196. There is a decimal for two places. So meter square, 11.96 meter square is the answer. This is your area and this is your perimeter. So next question says here that the perimeter of a square is 248 meters and we have to find the area. For finding area we need to know the length, we need to know the edge, that is the side. So here perimeter of square is 248 meters. Okay, that is 4 into side is equals to 248 meters. So side is equals to 248 divided by 4, that is 62. So side is 62 meters and we have to find the area. Area is equals to side into side, that is 62 meter into 62 meter. The answer is 3844 meter square is the answer. Okay, this is our area of a square. So this is our question. Next question here. Here Kunal takes 7 rounds of a rectangular park. So this is a rectangular park whose length is 250 meters and breadth is 105 meters. And Kunal takes 7 rounds, means he has covered this perimeter 7 times. So how much distance will he cover? Means how much distance covered by Kunal in 1 round is equals to perimeter, that is 2L plus B. 2 into length here is 250 plus breadth is 105. So 250 plus 105 gives you 355 into 2, that is 710 meters. 710 meters is covered by him in 1 round. So he takes 7 rounds. Distance covered by him in 7 rounds will be 710 into 7 meters, that is 4970 meters. Okay, this is the distance covered by Kunal in 7 rounds. This is the next question for the exercise. The question says that the area of rectangular plot is 2028 meter square. Area of rectangle is 2028 meter square and the length and breadth of a plot are in ratio 4:3. Length is to breadth is given as 4:3. So length is 4x, breadth is 3x. So area is equals to length into breadth. First we have to calculate the actual length and breadth. That is 2028 is equals to 4x into 3x, that is 12x square equals to 2028. So here x square is equals to 2028 divided by 12, cutting it by 2, 1014, 6, again by 2, you will get 507. Now by 3, it is 169. So x square is equals to 169. So x square is equals to 13 square, x is equals to 13. It was meter square. So meter square meter. So x is 13 meter. So length is equals to 4x. That is 4 into 13. That is 52 meter. Breadth is 3x. That is 3 into 13. That is 39 meters. And now what the question says next? Find the cost of fencing. Fencing means drawing the boundary in a plot. Fencing means boundary of a plot, that is around the perimeter. Boundary is drawn around the perimeter, means around its surface. So the cost of, we have to find the cost of fencing at rate of rupees 5 per meter. So length of fence is perimeter, length of fence 2L plus B. Okay, length here is 52 plus 39. This is 50 plus 40, 91. 2 into 91, that is 182 meters. So cost of 1 meter fence is equals to rupees 5 as said by the question. So cost of 182 meter (5 into 182), that is 900. This, okay, this is our answer. Wait, 910 only. Okay, so this is our next question, that says that in a rectangular room of size 10 meter into 35 means room, length is 5 meter and breadth is 35 dm. Here in the last class I have told you about these conversions, that converting from decimeter to meter is moving towards the left direction and one position, so we will divide by 10. So 3.5 meter. Okay, so to be the room of size this is to be carpeted, means a carpet is to be spread all over the floor of width, dm, that is 7/10, that is 0.7 dm. Oh sorry, meter. I have converted this decimeter into meter. Find the length of carpet. Length of carpet is equals to L. I have taken it L. The question says that we have to find the length of the carpet. Look, the area of floor will be equals to the area of carpet that is to be spread on the floor. Area of floor is equals to the length of carpet of the floor. So area of floor will be equals to area of carpet. Yeah, because carpet is to be spread all over the floor. So area of floor is length into breadth, that is 5 into 3.5 meters. Look, always remember, we will keep all the units in a question the same. We will not take different units, we will take the same units. So this, then what? Area of carpet, again length into breadth. Here length is not known, breadth is 0.7. So length is equals to 5 into 3.5 upon 0.7, removing decimal, 5 sir. Length is equals to 5 into 5, that is 25 meter. So this is our answer. This is our next question. Here we have to find the area of the given figure. So if we divide it into three parts, there are 1, 2 and this 3. This whole figure is divided into three figures. We will calculate the area of these three figures separately and then add them. All these three are rectangles. So here the question says this is 3. Okay, starting from 1. First we will name it A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, and we will put this as K. Okay, so now area of 1, it is a rectangle. So here length is given as 3. Breadth is this, and this is given as this length. Okay, this D will be equals to HI, as in the given figure they are of the same length. Okay, this is 8. Now wait, this is completely 12 and this is 2. So here BC will be equals to AK, as ABCK is a whole rectangle. Okay, this here BC will be equals to AK. AK is given here as 2 centimeters. Okay, so this AJ is whole 12 minus AK. This complete minus this small part. This complete minus this small part. This complete is 12 minus 2. Then it will be 10 centimeter. Okay, this is complete 12 and this is a small part 2 centimeter. So area is equals to length. Here is 3 and breadth here is 10. So 30 centimeter square is the area of one. Then area of 2, it is also a rectangle. So here this 2 is the figure. So here length is 3 centimeters and breadth here is 8 centimeters. So area here is 3 into 8, that is 24 centimeter square. Then area of 3, that is also a rectangle. Here the length is this complete, that is 15 centimeter. So breadth here is 2. So area here will be 15 into 2, that is 30 centimeter square. Okay, so total area is equals to area of 1 plus 2 plus 3. So area of 1 here is 30, area of 2 is 24, area of 3 is again 30. It is equals to 84 centimeter square.